how to use AI auto enhance on NanoBanana.AI. I'm going to guide you through the process of using AI auto enhance on NanoBanana.AI. Let's get started. First, on your laptop, open your web browser and search for NanoBanana.AI. Then navigate to its official website. Once the site loads, you will see the main interface. Make sure you are logged in with your account. Now scroll down to the AI editor section. In the prompt engine, you will see two options, either image to image or text to image. For this demo, I will select image to image and upload a photo. Tap on the main prompt and write your instruction in natural language. For example, you can ask NanoBanana.ai to enhance the brightness, make the image sharper, apply a cinematic looks, or smoothen the skin tone. You can also describe more advanced edit like changing outfits, blending image, or replacing backgrounds. Once your prompt is ready, tap on Generate Now. The AI will process your request, and after a few minutes, your enhanced photo will appear in the output gallery. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more quick tech tips. Thank you for watching.